Good morning, traders, and this is your JSE Top 40, the Aussie day trade setup for today. Now, I'm still battling with incorrect data, so you can see this red line is actually where we closed, and we didn't get a move down like this. If we just come to the 12 minutes, that's what I mean. So it was basically, we rallied and came right back to the same area that we finished. So the day picture is pretty much a long tail to the top with a very small body. Okay, this is incorrect data like it was the previous day. And GT24 must get this shit together. So anyway, ignore this tail, ignore this tail. What we have here is it's not really any price action. It could be seen as an inside bar, but it's not. To me, this is an indecision bar off a pretty strong level. So we can still go either way. Okay, the daily trend is obviously to the downside, so we need to be moving to the downside, looking for the shorts. But we are quite far extended, and look at these all these oscillators now. Okay, so that is indicating that we are getting very tired, and we are oversold by quite a bit. 10 cent, let's just look at elements that could affect us at the moment. 10 cent down 1.42, and Rand 1440, nothing really changed there. And we have US market slightly down, Hong Kong is down ever so slightly, well 0.5%. So nothing really happened on Friday, so I don't think we're going to see any big gaps. And we do have gap to the upside, and we also have gaps to the downside here as well. Okay, so yeah, I think the only thing that we do have here is green pin bar, red, but that pin bar target's more than likely been hit, so there's nothing really there on the 4 hour. If we get down to the hour, you should see we are at a level. There's our inside tail there. So that's a level that we've tagged again. I would almost be inclined to believe that it's sort of trying to build either a base or an attack to get below this level here, which is fairly significant, of 48,500 area. Okay, there's nothing really to read into this at the moment. So what I'm going to be doing today is pretty much looking for the closing range strategy. Okay, so the last hour of trading, there and there, we are below the moving average. We've got a crossover, so my bias is to the downside. So I'm looking for a break below 48,490, and that should give me a move to the downside. So just to highlight, I did suggest a closing range strategy on Friday, and you can see first target was hit and then broke through, and then we hit the second target, which is the 261 extension, and then came all the way back down to test the 50% of that closing range. Okay, so I would pretty much look for exactly the same thing today. There it is there. Break to the upside would break the previous highs, and that would give me some confidence that this gap will close. Okay, I just bear that in mind. Although this area would be my profit taking area, I'd probably take some off the table and leave the rest in for that gap close, and that's at 49,027. And your target to downside is pretty much 48,222. I just want to see if we have anything here, and there are a couple of inside bars here, and there's one there, so I'd actually just look at taking profit right at that range break. Okay, so that's my view for today anyway. Looking for a break of this closing range. So 48,757 to the upside and 48,490 to the downside. And what you need to do is take profit at 270 points. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's short and sweet for the Aussie today. Not really looking for long-term longs at the moment. I don't trust what I see, and I don't see a bottom forming yet either, so not looking for any long-term longs at the moment. So that's wait and see. So it's all the way down to the 5-6 minute chart, and wait for a 5 minute or 6 minute close outside of this range. Okay. If I delete that, so you'll see here, those are the fractals as well. So a break below here is continuation, stop is above there, break up there. We're looking for reversal, stop is below here. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Short and sweet. I hope it helps, and I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.